grand entrance. Tayo po tayong lahat. Alright. At this point, it is my honor and pleasure to introduce to you our lovely debutant for tonight. Everyone, all hands and all eyes for our lovely debutant, Cassiopeia!
Kukuhanin na daw lahat doon sa labay sa mga ganun ninyo. Careful! Ari kay rooming ko ah.
We leave the Christmas lights up till January. This is our place.
Hindi po natin pagpapakan ating napakagandang debutant for tonight, Cassiopeia!
Counting only 20 seconds. It's 20 years.
Okay.
Can I go where you go? Can we always be this close?
Our participant for the 18 roses will hand over the roses for our debutant.
You're my lover. This is our place. We make the call. And I'm high suspicious, and everyone who sees me wants you. I've loved you 3 summers now, honey, but I want 'em all. Can I go where you go? Can we always be this close?
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for our debutant, Cassiopeia! Thank you so much for the participants natin for the 18 roses. Muli po, palapakan po natin ang isang palakas ang ating debutant, Cassiopeia. Thank you so much, everyone. And at this point, I would like to invite her father, Daniel P. Again po, I would like to invite her father, Daddy Romy, to have a dance with her daughter. Again, everyone, let us all clap our hands for Daddy Romy and Cassiopeia.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes. But it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive.
Umupo ka ate at mabablak ko yung mga
We keep this love in a photograph.
mabablak ko yung mga ano.
These memories for ourselves.
Once again, please clap your hands for Daddy Romy and Cassiopeia. Maraming salamat po. And thank you so much, everyone, for your participation behind our grand entrance for our debutant. And again, I would like to call on all the participants for the 18 roses for your group photo ops together with our debutant. Proceed tayo dito sa center.
Una kayo.
Again, photo ops po tayo lahat po ng participants natin for the 18 roses. And I would like to acknowledge you guys. Also, thank you so much kay Carlos Miguel, kay Joaquin Miron, Charles Menard, Clarence Escueta, Tristan Escueta, A-Mart Ricafort, Arnold Calutan, Dave Manilon, Daniel Punzalan, Andre Dalisay, Maynard Anunuevo, Ceddy Morel Faye Del Mundo, Royce Benedict, Terrence Breeze, Jamie Diche, Jolo Soriano, and Daniel Luis. Guys, palakpakan po natin lahat ng ating participants for the 18 Roses. At syempre, si Daddy Rona.